So, you're ready to buy a new iPhone, perhaps the brand new iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro. What are you going to do with it? Talk? The iPhone can do so much more than voice-to-voice or FaceTime communication. By exploring Apple's App Store, you can unearth apps that turn your iOS 16-powered handset into a fitness tracker, encyclopedia, or language learning tool. If you can think of a potential iPhone use, it probably exists in app form. However, finding those apps can be difficult. The App Store is packed with apps, it's millions deep. Some are wheat, some are chaff. Don't waste your time with chaff. Instead, watch this video until the end to find the best apps and hidden iPhone gems. Remini. If you are looking for an app that makes pictures clear and achieves a professional look photo, then Remini is the best choice you can make. Remini uses state-of-the-art artificial intelligence to unblur, restore, and enhance any images you want. With over 500 million downloads, Remini is one of the most trusted and popular apps. To fix unblurred images, open Remini, import a photo, and select Improved File Handling. Click on the Save tab to upload your photo. UPDF. The UPDF Signature app is a comprehensive PDF reader and file manager app with signature capabilities. The first tool is the free hand drawing application with which users can generate their signatures. Then, they can take this further by adding a written text to the PDF. With that, they can make notes and remarks on the signed documents, making it possible to exchange feedback with the document recipient. A key differentiator of Adobe is that it incorporates paper documents. While other apps focus entirely on digitally created documents, UPDF supports scanning, uploading, and converting hard copies into digital formats. You can then edit the scanned document and correct and sign it. Similarly, you are not limited to the format of documents that you can apply the e-signature application. For example, you can also sign images in such formats as JPG and PNG. A notable downside you get with many other e-signature apps is that they mainly focus on providing electronic signature services. UPDF is, however, different. It comes with a full suite of features from document creation and annotation to compression and general management. In addition, the signature app focuses on the security of the sensitive documents that you deal with. Widgets. Boasting a solid collection of widgets, Widgets is one of the most loved iPhone home screen widgets. As the widgets are fully customizable, you can fine-tune them in line with your preference. For instance, you can dynamically schedule your custom widgets to show weather information in the morning, calendar during the workday, and the super handy activity ring progress in the evening. Bear in mind that if you want to unlock all the cool features like access to Tide and weather-hosted data of this feature-packed iOS home screen widget app, you will need to upgrade to the premium version of the widget app. Spark. Tackling emails is one of the most boring and yet important things for me. I make sure that email handling doesn't eat away at my real work time, so I handle emails on my iPhone when I am traveling to the office or waiting for something or someone. While Apple's default mail is good enough for some users, I find it lacking in features. I have tried several third-party email apps on my iPhone, but none has stuck with me like Spark Mail. The app is free to use for personal use and comes with exceptional features like a smart inbox, unified inbox, send later, email templates, setting emails as reminders, third-party app integration and more. Thanks to Spark, I can answer all important emails daily so there's no email pile-up. I love Spark's Smart Inbox feature which categorizes emails based on priority, letting me deal with important emails at first. I love the customizable swipe gestures that let me easily delete, archive, snooze, or pin emails. When answering emails, I use its template features to quickly draft emails. Spark Email has all the features that I need to handle emails efficiently. Spark also offers exceptional team features for paid subscribers that include collaboration on emails, inline messages in emails, advanced link sharing, cloud storage for important files, and more. I use the free version because I work alone and it has been good to me. For a free app, I find Spark Mail a lot better than some of the paid email clients on the iOS App Store. For that reason, it is on my must-have iPhone apps list. Dark Sky. If there is one app that should be on everyone's must-have iPhone apps list, it should be a weather app. If you live in a part of the world where the sun shines throughout the year, maybe you don't need it. But for someone who lives in a place where weather is as unpredictable as it's sneaky, a weather app is just common sense. In my experience, Dark Sky gives the most accurate weather predictions. I love its hyper-local down to the minute forecasts, and I'm still amazed by its accuracy of rain prediction. And the radar animations on this app are drop-dead gorgeous. The way it displays movement of storms is awing. If you like Dark Sky's data but don't appreciate the UI, you can try Carrot Weather, which uses Dark Sky's data and even lets you choose other data sources including AccuWeather, Climasal, and Meteo Group. 1Password. 1Password is a staple of the Apple community and one of the best iPhone apps out there. It lets you store an unlimited amount of passwords, credit card numbers, addresses, and more. It uses AES-256 encryption and includes support for unlocking with Touch ID and Face ID. You can use the customizable password generator feature to create complex passwords and not have to worry about remembering them because they will always be stored safely in the vault. You can organize passwords with tags and mark them as favorites. When you upgrade to the Pro model for $10, you can access special templates that allow you to save bank accounts, driver's licenses, passports, and more. You'll also get Apple Watch support, so you can view your favorite passwords right on your wrist. For those who want to share some passwords with others, 1Password also offers subscription options for teams and families. 1Password also features a robust desktop app that will sync with your iPhone and iPad, and the Safari browser widget makes it possible for you to autofill passwords and even go directly to a site. If this is your first time delving into the password manager world, 1Password is a great app for getting you started, but also has enough features to be the only one you ever use. And that is it. This was our comprehensive video about the best iOS apps. What are your favorite iOS apps? Do you think we missed any important ones on this list? Do let us know by letting us know in the comments section. I also recommend watching these videos